Sila sa likod. Buying ice. That's why you're here with Mama.
What, Mama? What?
Sari-sari store. May ice tent.
May nakapwesto.
Oo. Baka paalis pa lang sila. Ay no, baka paalis pa lang.
Dami pa yung couple, Ben. Dalawang babae.
Jazzy! Come here.
Ano yung babalik? Paano ba?
Dito. Di ba dito harap natin? Yan. Here. Ha? Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Yes, come here, come here. That's the tent?
Yeah?
Can I help with the tent?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah.
Asan kaya yung salamin?
Mahiwagang salamin.
Sana tama. Hindi na tayo magbabaliktad.
What's that, Daddy?
Tama. Ito yung salamin
Saan?
Yan
Baliktad.
Tama. Tama.
No? Ito yung door.
Di ba ang door is yung salamin?
Hindi, ito door. Oh.
Sa ba ang salamin ang door? Ito na. Ito na.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Good job.
Okay.
For appetite.
She's always the Disney princess.
Bitin ng red shoulders. Ito. Ito. Where are you?
Dapat talaga ito doon. Meron tayo.
Maglalagay naman talaga isa.
Hey.
Ito sa ibang part.
Oh?
This is a baby. This is my baby sister. Susie. Where's our for the bed sheet? Mama. No, I saw that in TikTok.
Which one?
Hi guys! Hi guys! We're gonna bring baby sister's laughing. It's doing like this. It's so funny, right? I mean, it's like this. It's Mama's there. Mama?
Yeah?
Is that you?
Yeah?
Okay, it's Mama. Ayun, see? Just sitting, and I have a bed. He's gonna be there. I don't know if he's here or here. Mommy!
Mommy! No shoes allowed inside.
Yung sino ba sa Miguel?
Oo. Leia, help Mama. Go to the other side. Oy, I saw that. Saw that, just. Why did you follow ate?
I was trying to put her shoes on and then she followed me.
Wait. Oh. Paano tayo matatapos?
Who's that?
Ate!
Who's that?
Oh Lord, thank you. Sabi ako. Thank you so much for guiding us to get here safely and thank you for the food you bring. Thank you so much that nothing bad happened to us and I hope you also guide us as we get. Amen.
Bless us, O Lord, each and every about receive from thy bounty.
Ha? isa?
Yeah.
Tignan natin mamaya kung affordable. Let's
At
check.
least dito medyo calm kesa dun medyo madami
So,
tao.
ito, pantay. Hindi, yung pag nagtatakbo si Jazz, hindi ka mag-aalangan.
Kasi, mahirap.
Tad, gano'n mo katagal sinet up yung tent?
8:40 na. 30 minutes.
30 minutes lang?
Pero, first time.
Tour the inside. So, kasha yung isang sofa bed. And then, isang king size and single size na inflatable bed. Pinagdugtong lang namin. So, ito actually can be open also. Same with this. Pero, hindi na lang namin ginawa para medyo may privacy. And then, ito yung mga window sa back. Big enough naman, pwedeng gawing door. And then, window again. And then, another door. And then, merong sunroof or moonroof. So, pwedeng mag-stargazing at night. Very presko. And very spacious actually here. Ayan. So, ganyan siya sa labas. Sobrang laki nung door. So, we are at Viewscape right now. Hindi kami dun banda nag-pitch ng tent kasi uneven yung daan. Unlike here, na medyo quiet. At malapit sa restaurant, pati na rin sa CR. Kaya, okay na din dito. Tapos kami lang yung nandito. So, sulit na rin. So, this is how it looks like on the side. Ganyan siya. Meron pang nabibili na extension for this one. But hindi pa daw available. Kaya ganyan muna siya for the meantime. Yan. So, very happy naman. Sobrang happy. Dream come true tong tent na to. Very easy to set up also. Kasi parang wala pang 30 minutes. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap i-pump. Mas okay naman siguro kung may electric pump ka. Wala pa siguro 15 minutes tapos na tong setup. So it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Medyo yung panahon paiba-iba. Kanina pa umaambon, tapos araw, tas uulan ulit, tas ambon. Huli, daga.
Laki ng daga.
Parang siya go, guys.
Hindi naman masyado malamig yung swimming pool.
Really? Do you wanna swim?
No.
Wala tayong swimsuit.
It's okay. I don't want to swim.
Okay. Nakakapagod?
Yung layo eh.
Where is Jazzy and Ate Yayay?
It's so malayo.
Napagod. Napagod.
Bakit bumalik ulag agad kayo?
Eh, bawal daw chinela sa swimming pool.
Because you might slip.
Ewan ko. Basta bawal daw chinela.
Sana nagpaa ka na lang?
Nasasakit eh. Ouch, ouch.
Ouchie. Why is it ouchie?
It is
How do you find our tent? Do you like this tent?
Yeah, it's... Tapos yung sign, hanap namin.
What's your favorite tent?
This one.
This one? Yeah, me also. It's so spacious, no?
Ano natin?
Sige. Up! No, 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 no. No, no, no. Daddy, oh.
Gusto niya mag-swimming?
Wala tayong dalang swimsuit.
Ha? Hindi, meron ako dalawang swimming pool.
Ah.
Can we eat Nova?
Yeah. But you can have your, ano na, your lunch.
Oh my God. Let's go, Taya. Want to go?
Jazzy. Jazzy. Jazzy.
Parang lion daw siya.
Jazzy. Jazzy. Wow, so poggy. Are you poggy or are you pretty? Yun na dati, yun na siya, yun na siya, yun na siya.
Our hats in Daddy's head. I don't like that.
Pusak sa jams?
Why don't you like cork?
Sige.
Ano pa magandang picture?
Our drinks.
Bakit? Sa akin to. Sa amin to.
Oo, careful. Be careful. Talagang yung bunso pa yung pinahabol nyo. Hey, hey.
Go, go, go.
Oh, pawis na siya. Hey, 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 hey. Dance na
Wait
yan.
lang. Ayan.
We're eating chicken. We have the same clothes with Ate Mika.
So funny. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga anak mo.
Tingnan mo, mukha bang tanga doon?
Kinuha niya yung manok mo.
Ay, dapat pala, ano, kinuha mo isang upuan, pinatong mo yung paa mo. Hindi na.
Wow.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sige.
No.
Look at the clouds.
Cloudy.
Yeah, look at that. So
Is
nice.
it cloudy
With that,
again?
pwede ba yun dito? Wow.
Is it cloudy again?
So pretty here.
Tinignan ko
Tent pitching din dyan. And ayan, syempre this is not yung usual na camping grounds na gusto natin. Look, magkakatabi na sila. But dun sa pwesto namin, fairly peaceful naman. Look at the view, guys. Ang ganda ng view. So, titiisin mo lang talaga yan. So, just for the experience.
Wala, madulas.
Doon pala yung magandang bukas ng taas.
Saan? Nasa taas.
So, nakarangan ng ano. At least may CR sila sa baba.
Wow!
Dahil hindi po kasha.
Bitin.
Bitin. So, improvise. No, muchas gracias. Alam mo yun? Muchas gracias, señorita. Oh. Yun lang ang alam ni Mama. I don't even know the trulaleo trulale. Ano, what's that?
Tra-la-la-la-tra-la-la. Mama,
The cappuccino ballerina. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, señoritas. Ballerina cappuccina. Oh, galing ni Mama.
ballerina cappuccino. Mimi, mimi. Alam niyo, di ko pinasasin. Alam mo na si Kalalala.
Like another rain is coming in. Look. Oh my gosh.
ng hangin.
Oh my gosh. Cartoon.
Cartoon?
Yeah. Si Ate Kai, Sophia the First. What
But I
about,
also like Shimmer.
what about you, Thea? Because you don't watch cartoon. You only play Roblox.
I have this Princess Ethiopia.
Huh? What nga? What cartoon do you watch? She only knows Casey and Rachel.
No, I like all of the Disney princess.
Oh, si Ate Kai is Sophia the First.
Okay.
Ah, yours is Frozen. Si Ate Kai is Sophia the First and what's that? You want water, baby? Water here, water. Water here.
Me and the blue Shimmer card.
Here, baby.
What's her name?
How about you? I don't know either.
Oh. Jassy.
Guess what I drew? That's what I drew. I drew. If you don't go to the right hole, that means you're out. You need to hurry up.
Hilong-hilong na si Shaz. Yeah! Smile!
Cheese!
Jazzy! What is she eating?
Cheese! I'm eating cheese!
She's pretending she's eating cheese. Is playing. Thank you.
Today's kitchen. Binabagyo na po kami dito. Dinner for today.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Faster, faster, faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Faster, faster, faster. Oh no, that's too fast. No, 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 no. Good morning.
This guy has Tito Sai. He has the Tito Sai play just outside.
Morning. Ate, wait for her daw.
Paano pag nagana pa tayo? Take the mayor.
Oh.
Baka di naman natin. Nanigas na yung langis. Exercise
May sea of clouds.
Ha? Cloud niya?
May sea of clouds po.
Meron, naka-cloud kaya.
Why are you so big? Why are you so big? Ay, kinuha ang ganito tayo.
Diretso.
Pag dito mo isa.
Coffee.
May ate? Ah.
Asa ba?
Ganda mo ng cake. Lambe.
Ito yung gagamitin na. Ito yung nagagamitin sana. Sa shoot.
Ito.
Eh, yun na pala ngayon.
Paano? Tapos nakatayo po kayo.
Sa loob.
Tapos kayo.
Meron pa. Dalawa. Isang king bed, isang single bed.
Yung sofa bed ba din? Ano? Diniflate lang ng kailan. Sa taas. Dito kami unang na-inlove sa camping. What's that?
Wow. Plane. Is that a plane?
In the highs and in the lows, mountain tops and seas below, I know we'll always find a way home. City lights that burn so bright, starry nights in countrysides we'll find all we need in this life. No matter where we go, at the end of every road, as the world goes by, we'll be side by side and we'll let the sunset glow carry us home. Every road we wander on, black of night to gold of dawn, we'll see all that we could be. When the journey's come and gone, and we found where we belong, we'll know that it carried us home. No matter where we go, at the end of every road, as the world goes by.
Something we do.
Apo, galing. Yung para maging kaldo. Ay, sipon mo, no?
Wala po.
Ay, nagkasipon ka?
Kagabi, ano yun? Inaatake ng ano, sipon. Sobrang lakas ng sipon.
They're waiting for you to gala. Hindi nyo na rin mapapansin yung tao.
Yes, totoo yun. Totoo yun yung ano, yung lalo na pag-dance, yung dance nyo. Kami nung sinayaw ko si ate nyo. Wala akong ibang nakita. Isa lang. Parang wala kami pakialam sa iba. Basta sumasayaw lang kami sa gilid.
Kahit pag naglalakad
Totoo
ka
yun.
sa aisle.
Yung magic na yun.
Makikita mo lang kung sino yung nasa dulo. Iyak yan. Hello! Bless!
Ay, kunin mo na lang yung chicken na. Dala din sa rin.
Tapos, yung tatlong dance. Tingnan na. O, di wag mo muna.
Kagaya niyan.
Ganun lang ang
Kagaya niyan. Camera. Picture. Ano bang, yung album, ay yung camera, pinicturean mo dito. Itong picture,
Ito, ano lang yun? Album lang rin yan. So, ibig sabihin, mas kumpleto pa rin yan ang kamera. Hindi. Ito, mas kumpleto tong
In the highs and in the lows, mountain tops and seas below, I know we'll always find a way home. City lights that burn so bright, starry nights in countrysides we'll find all we need in this life.
Yung ano, kaka-teenager lang. So medyo ano pa. Yung medyo... puberty stage. Nasungit ko.
Oo. May ganun, no?
Wala na nga yung binigay ko. Kalahin mo ba na? Unahan mo ba naman ako? Yung sing-sing ko dalawa, ano, hindi ko na may suot ko mabago.
Ikaw pa ano? Papadagdag?
O kaya magdagdag ka ng
Or magdagdag ka ng gold.
Kung meron kang ginto na ano.
Kung meron kang ginto na...
Tingnan mo, paano pagkatapos nito? Hindi babad na sa araw. Wala na tayong masisilungan. Hindi yung pangit dito. So...
Kaya katakot sa ito, katakot sa is. Meron siya parang...
Kaya pabilis na?
May ganunan. Tapos ito, hangin naman. Parang mag-ipat.
Kuya, hugasan ko na.
Sam?
9 to.
Sam?
4, 6, 10. 2,
Bali ang line.
4, 6, 8, 10. Ay, yung tali na pala yung 9.
Nagwawala